Okay, guys, now last time we did was only we have managed to do the routing part. That means we can route through pages or views through you by using this controller. That means we just created a method and we can attach that method in the routes page or the web.php page. If you don't understand, please see the previous tut, right? In that you can find the given example, right? So today we will discuss about a part called templating, right? That means if you go to the pages, that means I will just name this one as h1 call this is home page, and this one as this is contact page, and this is home page, and this will be the contact page. And if you go to the browser, right, if you go to the browser, you can see here about contact. Why is this? Wait, yeah, my mistake. Contact. Okay, right. If you refresh, now you can see here contact page, and we have the home page, right? Normally, just assume that we need some themes around here, right? That means a navigation bar. I will use yeah, I will use a simple navigation bar, right? Yeah, I will use wait, just give me a second and I will start. And yeah, wait. Okay. This will be the basic HTML file, and if we cut this one and paste it here, you can see here we'll do the same thing for the contact page, right? Now you can see I will apply some styles here. I am using bootstrap. You can also use bootstrap, right? You can by using bootstrap CDN and all, you can easily apply style for your page, right? For now, you can see here I have just applied some a simple navigation bar, right? You can see here, just a simple navigation bar here, right? When it comes to home page and the welcome page, I have embedded the code, right? I will change this to a home page, home, and change this one as contact page, and I will change the link, right? Uh, you have to check the before tut to know this routing part, right? Now if I copy this, right? Now you can see here, yeah, right? If I click on contact, I will go to the contact page, right? And yeah, and I also have to change this one too, right? Yeah, now we are done, right? Now we have a navigation bar, and if we click on that, we can go to each pages, right? Home page, contact page, home page, contact page. Now you can see here uh, this code will, if we create normal page, just assume we will create another page called about us, about page, right? we'll create a page called about.blade.php, right? Now here we always have to copy this code and paste it here, right? It is always we have to copy the code and copy paste, right? So in that scenario it is not that professional to do that, right? That means it is very hard, and sometimes uh, if you have 100 pages, you have to copy paste the whole code to the 100 pages, right? That means it will 100 times you have to copy the same code, right? That is not that easy, right? It is very complicated. So what can we do? What we do is we can create a folder here called, you don't have to create a folder, but for the for the what to ease our work, we can create a folder called layout, right? That means we can create layouts here, right? We will just, I will name create new folder, new file as master layout, master dot blade.php, right? And we have master. What can I do is I can copy this code here, this one, right? I will copy this code, copy and paste the this whole code here, right? And we have to determine, right? We have to determine we have to determine what are the variable components. That means we know that home page, contact us page, and about us page. These are these code. This is the whole code, right? So, but in that code, this will be copying, right? That means it will be replicating, right? In these two pages, this code will be replicated, right? These codes are repeating in that. So it will be easier if we can use this code again and again without any hesitation, right? That means we can, now our plan is to load the code, right? The whole code from a single file, right? That means we can extract or import this total code from master file to the welcome file, right? Welcome page. But we can change the stuff that we need, right? I will teach you how to do that. For starting, right? When we work with that, just so after creating the master file, right? You have to decide what are the components that will change. What, where the component that we have to change, right? Normally, the navigation bar will not change, the head will not change, right? The head tag will not change, but title will change, right? Title tag will change, the navigation bar will not change, but the component, right, will change. So you have to name, give a name, right, or give a variable name to the thing that you have to change, right, according to the view, according to the page. If there is anything that should change, you can name them, right? For example, to change the title, I will just name this as tiny tudes, 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 and I know the pay what the name of the page should be displayed, right? I will name at, right, at yield, and then the name of the variable I will just put it as title, right? This, right, just do what I'm doing, right? Title, and save it, right? And then, right, I know this thing should be also changed, right? So this content, right, I will create a div, right, and content, and I will name again I will name as yield, right? Again I will go to the yield and put it as con. For my is, I'll put con, right? That's it, right? Now you can see what I have done is I have figured out the what are the code that will not change. That means the navigation bar and the head tag will not change, right? But title tag should be changed, and the content here, right? This in the inside this div, the all the content that we can insert, right? So those are the two parts that should be changed in this website, right? There is no there are many things that should be changed, such as forms, sidebars, and all. But for example, just assume that only these two will change in our website, right? Now just delete all the code in here, right? We don't need that, right? And then we have to import this master view to our welcome blade page, right? To do that, just type at extend, I think, yeah, extends, and type the folder name first. I will tell dot layout dot master, right? And then you have to uh, add the values, right? That means the changing values section, and then you have to put the name of the section. That means I just assume that I have put title no, then title, and then the value. I just for because this is my home page, I will name it as home, right? And then the section, the second section, and the name, right? I will put as con. In this section, it is not a simple value, it is a tag no. So we have to end the section, right? We have to put as end section and put our content here. I will put just h1 and name it as home. This is home. This is my home page, right? And then we can save it, and if we refresh, right, we can see this is welcome.page. That means our root page, right? This is our root page, right? So if we go to the page and refresh, right, see there's no difference, right? The the constants are here, right? If we can apply the same thing, for our uh, contact us page, right? I will copy this section and paste it, right? I will change the this contact, and this is my contact page, right? Now you can see here we are not copying and copy pasting the code. We have defined the code here with the master file, and we are importing that code to our pages like this extends, right? If I refresh the page, now you can see home page, contact us page. Yeah, it's not contact us page. Yeah, it is not working. Why is that? Yeah, we will change it. Yeah, right. So you can do anything that you want with this layouting part. That is the reason that we use the Blade template, right? To use the templating engine. It is very easy to do with that, right? Just as in that we have to create a new about us page, right? For the instance, I will create just a route, a simple route, not without using. We can use the this one, right? Okay, I will name it as about, and change it as get about, right? And then I'll go to the main controller, right? Last time we did this, right? Please check. Now get about, right? Get about, and I will put about, right? About, and I will just copy paste the code. uh, this one I will copy paste, not don't it is right, only these things, right? We will change the title here, about us, uh, contact, and save it. Now you can, if I refresh the page, now I have to update the links, right? Just assume that I have to name this as about this link. I don't have to the update all the pages, right? I just only have to change one place, that is this one, right? So about and slash and about, and if I refresh, if I click on about, yeah, oh, it's okay, change about, right? Now you can see here, see, it is happening like this, right? So okay, I will end the lecture now, right? I will end the casting now. If you have any doubts, please ask me down below. And yeah, right. Let's see in the next lecture, right? Okay, thanks. If you have any doubts, you can ask, right? We have done 3 lectures now. That means first one is getting started, and second one is how to route, and this one is how to use the layouts, right? Please refer all 3. If not, you will not understand, right? Okay, I will end the lecture now. Thanks.